In this video, we'll learn how to find out mean using assumed mean. Class interval is given, frequency is given. We'll first take out the mean value of the class interval. So we have written this. After this, we write, let us assume mean is 100 because it is near in the mid value. After that, we'll find di, that the deviation, that is xi minus a, minus 80, minus 40, 0, 40, 80. Then we'll multiply fi into di, and then we get the summation of fi di. Summation of fi is also calculated. Summation of fi is equal to 90. Summation of fi di is equal to 80. You can also calculate in your copy. So let us assume mean is d a is equal to 100. So mean is equal to a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi. That's 100 plus 80 by 90. That is 0.888, which is round off to 0.89. So 100 plus 0.89 is 100.89, and that is the mean by assumed mean method. Thank you.